Well, I started in the program a little over a year ago, and I'll cry too. I do a lot of crying because of the victories, but also it's been a hard journey, but it's been well worth it because I felt very hopeless as well. And I even said to the Lord, just kill me and get it over with. I'm done. And through the program, it the brain fog, I didn't even realize how much brain fog, attitude, like Sandy shared. I had my difficulties. I was angry about a lot of different things. And so, as I've been diligent to stay on the protocol and to follow through, and to hear, especially Garrett and Dory, how they've loved me and taught me through God's help to love myself in ways that I never knew I wasn't. So now my faith has grown, my my love for the Lord has grown, my body is better. In fact, a friend shared with me the other evening, she said, Linda, do you remember when you could barely get out of bed? Just to cook or to go to the grocery store? I said, yeah, I guess I do. And she said, look at what you're doing now. And yes, I still have a long ways to go. But I'm better than I was. I have more activity and I have learned how to pace myself. And because of the kindness of God operated through Dory and Garrett, I've been able to overcome stuff. I have friends too that have helped me in this journey. They lift my arms up to give me the strength to do one baby step at a time and to learn how to be healthy, body, soul, and spirit. So I could share lots, but I don't want to hold everybody up. And I love you guys because of how you've just loved me. And it's teaching me the love of God, his great love for us that is like unbelievable.
Mhm.
And I've known the Lord for years, but I've struggled with all kinds of stuff, even knowing his love for me because of the traumas I've experienced. So, knowing this love that emanates through others, you can receive it better so that you can be better in everything you do for him and to his
Mm.
glory. Amen.
That's right.
Amen.
It's his work through you. We're
Mhm.
just the lucky ones that it gets to be a conduit. We're the conduits, right? But it's
Yep, you're
his
the conduit.
love for you.
Mhm. Some of the things you've overcome in your healing journey, I actually use them as stories to encourage other people too, because you have gone through some exceptional circumstances while healing with us. You remember the elemental diet?
Oh,
We're not going
yeah.
to get into
Who can
details right now,
forget
but
that?
oh man,
And
yeah,
it worked.
yeah, and that was one of the most brave things I think you could have done in the situation that you had with it. And thank God for it because here you are now. And we're just so happy that we get to continue to serve you and take care of you in this way, Linda.
Thank you. And the elemental diet, though it was quite a challenge, I didn't have to cook. I didn't have to wash dishes or do anything. I didn't have to go grocery shopping. That was great too. All I
Look
drank
at
was the
you.
water and the elemental stuff for four
Mhm.
times a day.
Look at you now. Now, when you were going through it, you were like, "Do I have to keep doing this?" And, and now look at you.
Yep.
Now you're like, "Look at all the positives of going through that diet."
Oh, that's incredible. It's
So there's
incredible.
good things in everything.
Hmm.
There's good and there's major challenges.
Hmm.
Oh,
But
oh
the
my
brain
God.
fog this second year going in is so much less.
Oh,
and it's like, oh my
we see it
gosh.
in you big
Yeah,
time.
it's like remarkable. I didn't
Yes, it's
realize
a
how
big
cloudy
deal.
I was.
No,
Mhm.
you didn't know how bad it was. When we first met
No.
you, you were repeating things all the time. I would answer a question and 5 minutes later you'd ask it again. I mean, your brain fog was really bad. And now it's like, wow. It's night and day difference.
Mhm. It sure is.
And just,
So,
like I just want to can I be silly? Like I just want to get up and dance because you have grown so much spiritually, even though you were already a Christian for all these years, right?
Mhm.
But your spiritual growth, and that's really you guys. I mean, for Aloha and Birdie, right? I mean, when the Lord first started this ministry and told me that this is what I was going to be doing, and that's why I went through so much hell, is so that I could do this. It really is all about the spiritual growth first, right? The physical is the icing on the cake, right? It's the benefit, but the spiritual growth is really where it's at. And I have grown spiritually over the last 10 years taking care of my clients. It's not just a one-way thing.
mhm.
It's a beautiful thing.
Mhm.
Absolutely. Oh, thank you so much for being able to share that with us, Linda. That, your journey is something that I do reflect on quite often, and I'm just glad that we're still going together.